Hi everyone, myself is Captain Avhilash Rawat, Master of Marlin Luanda. Half of the world knows that yesterday we were struck by a missile in Gulf of Aden. Due to this missile attack, the vessel was on fire, and it was not a small fire, it was a huge fire. It's a loaded tanker, and I hope people know that what happens if a tanker goes on fire, a loaded tanker. So I really thank Indian warship INS Visakhapatnam. They have done a really tremendous job. We had actually lost the hope that we won't be able to fight this fire, but these guys were really tough. They have really done a tremendous job, and hats off to Indian Navy, who said that we will come on board with our expert firefighters, and we will try to help you guys to fight the fire. So I really appreciate the other navies. We are also there, and they also helped us with other resources, but it was Indian Navy. They went out of the book and they really helped us out.